Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to blur in Clipchamp. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to blur in Clipchamp, all you gotta do is simply open your Clipchamp account or simply open it in a web browser or your app itself. So once this is done, you need to simply click on the video clip on the timeline. Once you simply tap on it, you need to click on the Effects tab on the Property panel. Now simply scroll down to find the blur and the blur fill effect. Once you have found these effects, you need to simply click on the blur effect option to apply the effect on the video. You can also use the glass effect to blur a video and edit the intensity of the blur effect using the slide bar that is right besides it or below it. So this is how you can simply blur in Clipchamp. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.